Here's a quick grammar lesson on helping verbs. An auxiliary verb is sometimes called a helping verb. They are used in conjunction with the main verb to form various tenses, voices, and moods. There are 3 helping verbs. They are to be, to have, and to do. Helping verb, to be. The present tenses is, and are. The past simple is, was, and were. And the participle is been. I am riding my horse. Helping verb, to have. The present tense is have and has. The past simple is had. The participle is had. I have made a fried breakfast. Helping verb, to do. The present tense is do and does. The past simple is did. The participle is done. Do you like my new tractor? A helping verb can be used to express the continuous tense. For example, the shark is trying to catch fish. The present continuous tense. The shark was trying to catch fish. The past continuous tense. The shark will be trying to catch fish later. The future continuous tense. Will is a modal verb, which is another type of auxiliary verb. A helping verb can be used to express the perfect tense. For example, James has drunk 3 cocktails. The present perfect tense. James had drunk 4 cocktails before noon. The past perfect tense. James will have drunk 8 cocktails by the end of the day. The future perfect tense. A helping verb can be used to express the perfect continuous tense. For example, Colin has been swimming for an hour and a half. The present perfect continuous tense. Colin had been swimming for 2 hours until he got cold. The past perfect continuous tense. Colin will have been swimming for 2 hours at 3 p.m. The future perfect continuous tense. That's all for now. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.